What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we have a ticket that's never been on the channel before. Not a brand new ticket, but brand new to us. The Power 25X. I've seen a few other Ohio streamers playing these recently, and none of the places I was getting tickets at actually had them in. I asked the owner if he could order some for me so I could check it out. They're in, so I went and grabbed 20 of these bad boys. We got ticket 30 through 49, 20 tickets, $100, so we could see what the Power 25X from the Ohio Lottery $5 ticket is all about. We are going to start with ticket 30 and work our way up. Hope you guys are ready to sit back, relax, do some chasing. Real quick rundown. This ticket is different. There is no like winning numbers. Basically, over here on the game board, you're looking for a lightning symbol. That's your auto win. Money bag is your win all. Down here you have a multiplier. And then over here is just your random bonus slot. Find a stack of money, get $50. Odds on these, 1 out of every 3.81. Pretty standard for your $5 ticket. Maybe even a little bit better than some. You can win your money back, and there's a $250,000 grand prize. All right, they're all different colors. That's cool. Let's see if we can get lucky. Find something spicy. Ticket 30. That looks good. Whole thing's in the camera. Perfect. Let's see if we got a 5x multiplier. Bank. So no bonus. So we're looking for lightning bolts or money bags. So nothing on the first one. Yeah. Okay. Think we got it. Ticket 31. So we are looking for lightning and money bag. So nothing there. Bank again. 10 times 0 is, you guessed it, $100, 20 tickets. Hope you guys are staying warm this week. It is a cold one up here. Ticket 32. Nothing on this one. Safe. Still looking for that first winner. 33. Can you help us? Looks like it. That's what it looks like. We got a little lightning bolt there. Very nice. Let's look, see if we have the bonus. No bonus. 10x multiplier, that means we got at least $10. Let's see what we have. Yep, $10 winner. We'll take it. On the board with ticket 33. 100 spent, 10 back so far. Ticket 34. Coins. 1x multiplier. Whoa. No back-to-back on 34. Ticket 35. Safe? Nothing. Nothing is safe. Alright. 36. Looking for some lightning bolts, some money bags. A little stack of money right here would be nice. Coins again. 5x multiplier. Hey, we got a winning ticket. We will take it. 5x multiplier. $5 back. Min return. 15 back. We'll take it. Ticket 36. $37. Bell. 5x multiplier. Can these go back to back? Not this time. No money bags, no lightning there. $38. I do like that the ink is really easy to just go right down the page with, so you don't have to scratch each one individually. Hey, we got a winner at the top. Very nice. Coins for the 50 spot. 5x multiplier. Hey, $20. We'll take it. Yeah, that's good. All right, that puts us at 35 back. 35 back out of our 100. Ticket 39. Let's keep going. No lightning bolts on this one. No money bags. 50 spot. Nope, bell. So I guess the multiplier really doesn't even matter to scratch. It's not like there's a ticket or something under there like those cash explosion tickets. So you really only need to look at the power up if you win. Makes sense. Ticket 40. Nothing on 40. Looking for the 50 spot. Bell. $41. Got like 9 tickets left. See if we can make some more money. I'd say those are a lot of lightning bolt winners. Ticket 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give us a 10x multiplier, please. Just a 1. Coins. Can it be over $1 in these? No. Just looks like the ones for a $10 hit. We'll take it. $10 the long way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ticket 41 puts us at 45 back. Ticket 42. Trying to go back to back from that. No numbers. Bell. No back to back. All right, 43. How are we doing color-wise right now? We got 2 green winners, a blue winner, and I think this is a purple one. It means absolutely nothing. I was just curious. All right, 43. Nothing doing. Bank. There's a 25x. All right. We got like 5. Is it 5? Yeah, this is 6. So we got 6 tickets left. We're at 45 back out of 100 so far. Let's see if we can do something here in the close. No money bags, no lightning. Just bank. $45. Nothing on the board. Bank again. I don't know why I keep scratching the multiplier on the losers. I think it's just habit. I feel weirder if I don't do it. All right. 46. Hey, found another winner. We got 3 lightning bolts. Piggy bank. 1x multiplier. 2, 4, and 1. Just our $5 back. Puts us at exactly $50 back for the video, halfway. We have 3 more chances to try to get lucky, to get us closer to that ROI. Ticket 47. Tickle away. You got anything spicy? No lightning bolts, no money bags. Bank. Nothing doing on 47. 2 more chances. 48 and black box special 49. Let's see what we can do. Nothing doing on this one. $50 spot. Nope. With a 25x multiplier. Last ticket, last chance. Ticket 49 into the book. Can we find a winner? No bonus. Nope, nothing doing, guys. We got half back, $50. Get out of here, loser. We had 5 winners total. So 5 winners out of 20 tickets, a little bit behind the odds. You're really hoping for 6 and then 7 or 8 if you get lucky. But we did all right. 50 bucks back ain't bad. We had $10 winner, $5 winner, the $20, $10 the long way, and then a 5. 50 bucks. We'll take it. Not too bad. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yourselves. Power 25X, first time on the channel. Not a bad ticket. We may play some more here and there when we're doing $5 stuff. Appreciate you guys being here. Hopefully you had a good time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Have a good night.